school. Going to school with Nick Jr. Tomorrow is the first day of school. There are so many great things to do at school. I can't wait for school to start. I love using the school computer. It's just like the one I have in the Animal Rescue Center. What do you like to do on the computer? I love learning new things in school. Do you know what my favorite class is? I'll give you a hint. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sí! My favorite subject is math. What's your favorite subject? I love seeing all of my friends at school. And I love feeding our class pet, Giggles the rabbit. What class pet would you like to have? I like to visit the school library. I can find a lot of books about animal science there. The more I read about animals, the better I am at being an animal rescuer. One of my favorite parts of school is recess. I love to play games with my friends. What are your favorite games to play at recess? There's something else that I really love to do at school. Here's a clue. A, B, C. Yeah, I love writing letters and words and making stories. Sometimes I even get to share my stories in class. I can't wait for tomorrow to come. Now it's time to go to sleep, so I'll be ready for my big day at school. Buenos noches. Good night. Rise and shine. It's almost time for school. Let's pack some lunch. What are your favorite foods to bring to school? Let's check backpack to make sure I have everything I need for school. Backpack has crayons, pencils, a notebook, a ruler, and my lunch. Excelente! Vámonos a la escuela. Let's go to school. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Blue's Clues, Diego, Dora, and Backyardigans stories, check out all of those playlists. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And good luck everyone for back to school.